Welcome to Chibi Railroad Presents Anime Figure Profiles. I'm Mike Dettinger, the DCC Reanimator, and I will be your host. Hibari Shirakawa, the first figure in Tomatech's Tsurudu Musume Railway Uniform Collection, Series Volume 1, has a uniform variation. In this variation, her dark blue heavy uniform is replaced by a lighter weight light blue version. This is a classic look that conjures up memories of great coffee and apple pie at an old school diner. Please subscribe and watch my channel for our next anime figure profile. Have a great day.